Hello, Oklahoma DECA. I wanted to give you a look at the new written event submission site that we will be using for CDC 2019. I will send you the link here so you can play with this system. We've actually loaded all of the data from CDC 2018, so you can actually log into this system and play around with it without affecting anything, because we will eventually erase all of this data before we start preparing for CDC 2019. So feel free to log in and play with this system after I show you how it works. The first thing you'll have to do is log in just like you do the DECA membership system, with your username being your chapter ID and then your password, of course. As you can see, I've borrowed Emily Colvin's login to be able to show you this system. Once you're logged in, you would just simply select Projects, and from here you would select Submit New Project. The first thing you'll want to do is select the event for which you're wanting to submit. For this example, I want to do Learn and Earn Project. So I'm going to select that, and over here I'm going to put the team name or the individual's name that's competing in this project. For this one, it is Amy Wilkins. And I'm going to go ahead and put the abbreviation of the event just to make sure we can match it up on the back end when we're assigning these to judges. From there, you'll actually upload their written event. So just simply click here. Double click the file you would like, make sure it populates. Next you would add this student, Amy Wilkins, and then you would simply submit the project. And as you can see, it takes you back to your screen showing all of the projects that you've loaded. This one here, it's hard to see on the screen, but there's actually a green background showing that you've done everything correctly, and this project is now ready to be graded by a judge. If for some reason you submitted it and then you want to make a change before the deadline for submitting them, you would need to contact me so I could release the project back to you so you could do that. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like if you don't have it all the way submitted, we're going to do another one. Submit New Project. This time we're going to do CSP. And this individual's name is Kevin Shambles. And again, I'm just going to put the abbreviation for the event. I am going to go and get the project. But this time, when I go to finish, I'm going to hit Save for Later. And as you can see, this puts a red background behind there, meaning it is not fully submitted. So, easy as possible. Green means go. Red means we need to finish it up. To finish it up, it's as easy as just hitting Edit Project. It will take you back to that same screen. If everything's correct, now we'll just hit Submit Project. So it's as simple as that. It should be a very easy system to use. I will tell you that the instructions that I give will make sure that you actually save it as a PDF file. That way, no matter what the judge is using, it should pull up and be easy for them to read. And so we'll just make it a default PDF file to make sure everyone can see the document regardless of what platform they're using. As always, if you guys have questions, let me know. I'm going to shoot this out to you via email, provide you the link, let you play around with it, and then you can give me your feedback. Hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.